How are you guys? Here's Ricardo Melo speaking again from Brazil. And today's Friday morning. I love Friday mornings. We have a wonderful weekend waiting for us. And today, in this wonderful Friday morning, we're going to talk about health, my dear friends. Yes, it's a very important issue for our drop of inspiration. Take care of our health. Well, what are you doing about that? You have enough space on your agenda to practice exercise? Doing exercise or not? Are you thinking about the quality of food you are eating every day or not? My dear friends, it's much better we think about that now, right now, than we just wait for bad moments happen and we need to see a doctor, for example, and doctors say to us, oh, you're not good because your habits are terrible for your health. So you know what I mean. We need to do something different right now. So I really believe, my dear friends, when we create a space on your agenda to take care of our health, we will enjoy our life much better. We will channel our energy to our great focus, and definitely we will get a wonderful result. So the rewards we will get definitely worth it. So I invite you to think about that with caring and a lot of attention. So ask yourself, what are you doing to take care better of your health? Maybe you can find this great space to go around, go for a walk with your dog. Maybe you can jog in, you know what I mean? Maybe you can go to gym. Maybe you can practice meditation, read a good book. At the same time, you can stretch yourself. Wow, it doesn't matter. What's important is you find your way, your own way to getting better as time goes by, because definitely we need to take care of our health. Okay? So enjoy your day. Thank you so much for you spreading our drop of inspiration. And I just want to invite you again, because we will have a wonderful lecture in English and Portuguese on Monday 13th, 8 p.m. local time here in Brazil, and I want to invite you to join with me. So my dear friends, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. So take care of your health, your mind, and definitely you will enjoy better your life. See you soon, my dear friends. See you very, very soon.